You guys, I am so happy you're here. It has been like a 2-month break for me. We've been moving and grooving, and we're settled in enough that I'm ready to film another video. If it's the end of your workday and you're looking for some motivation to just get some chores done, to just get your house tidied up before bed, keep this video on. I think it's gonna be exactly what you need. So of course, the first thing I have to do is get my dishes done, get my kitchen cleaned. It's definitely my most hated chore, I would say. Hate's a strong word, but man, the dishes never end. And these are just dishes from dinner, so I'm just gonna clean everything up, get the kitchen done, and then I'm gonna move on to my laundry room.
Yeah, I got a situation. You can tell me if I'm right or wrong. She's quite the sensation, but the list goes on and on. Touching on her tattoos, while she does coke in the bathroom, while the band plays in the back room, trying to take her out the venue. She's somebody that don't need nobody. She's just stuck in my head. Lives for satisfaction, I can't get no reaction. She's just stuck in my head. She's somebody that don't need nobody. She's still stuck in my head. Lives for satisfaction, I can't get no reaction. She's still stuck in my head. But her body's moving all night long. I should tell her what I'm thinking, but those hips are moving way too fast. She's looking like she doesn't even see me. How do I get this girl's attention? Stage lights are so bright and they're flashing. Think my ego is falling and I'm crashing. She's somebody that don't need nobody.
Let me tell you what, my laundry room actually has the very last box that I need to unpack. And also, it's just kind of been where we're throwing everything. So I just want to get it cleaned up. I want to get it cleaned out because I want to store some tables and chairs in there. So that's next on the list.
The sky is dripping gold and wrapping around me. Life can be so wonderful, warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so divine. Life can be so wonderful, warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so divine.
Feeling divine, I'm feeling the vibes. I feel like it's more than just a feeling, what we could define. Let's break through the ceiling, see what limits that we could defy. Cause I could do anything I want, it's for me to decide. Bring you up to speed, take the wheel, let you drive. It's alright on a dark road, let the fire in us be the light. Day and night, yeah, we only seem to free our mind at night. That's just life, that's just how we pay the price.
I woke up today feeling like royalty.
It's almost fall, and I want to decorate. I want to film my clean with me. Nope. I want to film my decorate with me tomorrow. So I thought, you know what? Let's get the house spick and span, ready to go, ready to pull all the fall stuff out and just throw up fall in my house. And I'm so excited because I just moved into this house. This is my very first fall in this house. It's like I've been in this house for like a month. We have been. So I'm super excited just to see how it looks, where my decor goes. You know, like in my old house, I had a very set routine for where my things were gonna go. Let's see where I put things this time.
In my heart is a waterfall of windmills and rockets and empty baskets. In my heart is a waterfall, bleeding pine trees and lit up windows.
So it was getting pretty late, and honestly, I wanted to go to bed. I thought about it, but I knew I'd be so glad in the morning if I just pushed through. And sometimes showing up for yourself is just doing the little stuff like this, just cleaning your kitchen, tidying your dining room before bed, even when you don't feel like it. And making up to a clean space was so worth it. So if you're feeling like you don't want to finish a project, like you don't want to get up and do something, just think about future you. Future you will be so grateful you did it.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know. All of my problems, I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be.
Everything is clean, and I'm finally headed to bed. So if this video gave you even a little motivation, please thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel. I don't want you to miss the next video. I'm going to be decorating for fall, and it's going to be so cozy. You need it in your life. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks. Bye.